Okay, Mom, here we go. Here's a video of the cooking operation out of Tony's. So the sap begins in this barrel that we pump in with a sump pump. It then runs down through this tube behind the pipe, the smoke pipe, and into this stainless steel pan. In this first pan, this syrup collects here, and then it runs through a port at the back end of it, through that pan, and then into this finishing pan in the front. So you get a sense here now of the whole stove. And of course this is wood fired, so try not to melt my phone. Keep this fed. And that keeps everything at a boil. And then we keep an eye on the temperature. This gauge, when it gets up to 7, means it's at 100 or 219 degrees or 7 degrees over boiling. And that's when we begin to drain it off into this stainless steel pan through these filters. You see we got a nice wood pile for the day. And that's about it. Wish you could be here, but hopefully this video is helpful to see what we're up to. Bye-bye.